What if one volcano could destroy America in a single day? Could humanity...
Thinking of erupting geysers, beautiful hiking trails, and, all that amazing wildlife. But right beneath that peaceful national park lies one of the most terrifying natural threats on our entire planet. We're jumping straight into the hidden mechanics, the terrifying history, and honestly, the apocalyptic potential of the Yellowstone Supervolcano. I know, it sounds like pure science fiction, but this is grounded in very real, absolutely massive geology. So, let's start with a really shocking, almost unthinkable question, straight from our sources. What if one single volcano could destroy America in a single day? Sounds like a summer blockbuster movie, right? But the science behind this threat is very, very real. We really need to establish the immense, mind-boggling stakes here. Because we're not just talking about a localized emergency. We're talking about a catastrophic event that could literally rewrite the map of an entire continent in hours.
Section 1. The Sleeping Giant. Location and Reality. Now, scientists definitely do not throw the term supervolcano around lightly. It's a completely different category of danger compared to your typical mountain eruption. We're talking about a massive system capable of an unimaginably huge eruption, literally holding the power to drastically alter the entire planet's climate and landscape. This distinction is absolutely crucial because it explains exactly why Yellowstone sits in a class entirely its own. The threat level here goes so far beyond anything we usually worry about.
Section 2. Anatomy of a supervolcano. The underground mechanics.
So, what actually makes a supervolcano tick? It's basically a relentless three-step process. First off, magma slowly but surely rises up from deep down within the Earth. Then, immense pressure just builds and builds inside these continent-sized underground chambers over vast stretches of time. It practically turns the ground beneath our feet into a ticking time bomb. And finally, you hit the tipping point. The surface rock completely fails under all that massive stress, triggering a catastrophic explosive release.
Section 3. Echoes of Past Eruptions. The Historical Precedent. To really wrap our heads around the sheer magnitude of what's waiting beneath Yellowstone, we have to look back at history. Remember, we aren't talking about a normal mountain blowing its top. A Yellowstone supereruption produces explosive power that completely dwarfs the most destructive nuclear weapons humanity has ever created. Seriously, it operates on a scale of geographic devastation that makes standard, famous volcanic disasters in recorded history look, well, completely microscopic in comparison.
Section 4. The Day America Falls. The Eruption Sequence.
Let's try to visualize this chronological nightmare radiating outward from ground zero. Picture this. It would likely kick off with severe earthquakes violently shaking the entire region. Then, explosive steam would violently release from the earth as animals frantically flee the forests. And then comes the catastrophic main event. Lava erupting miles high into the sky, creating this colossal cloud of debris. Within a matter of hours, you'd have dark ash rapidly blanketing American cities.
As this disaster ripples outward,